decided to just go sunrise at the RedRock. Okay, go look at the sunrise. Take you guys along with me. Currently, it is 5:26 right now, and I'm gonna try to make it. It's about 40 minute drive. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thanks for clicking on this video. Alright, we just made it up here. It's really peaceful and quiet. I'm still not awake, but it's the ride, boy. She's looking beautiful. The sun is coming up. You know, sometimes you just gotta go outside, bro. Just enjoy nature. Especially if you get to see this all the time. It smells kind of weird up here, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why. It smells like some horse dookie or something. But I'm gonna go set up somewhere. Hope y'all set up y'all a little time lapse at the sunrise, and then yeah, make sure we, block that boy. Let's go take a seat over here. Hopefully y'all can see it. So I'm gonna take a walk all the way up there so we get a better view of the sunrise. Just look at that, guys. I guess that's the pros of living in Vegas. You know, you get beautiful mountains like this. I still don't like living here though. I'm finna move, man. But you know, it was fun while it lasted, for sure. If I was a coffee drinker, I would for sure drink some coffee right now, but this boy does not like coffee. Coffee's not it, boy. Unless maybe, you know what I'm saying, like some sweet white girl stuff, you know what I'm saying, but I do not like hot coffee or nothing. But we up here, you know what I'm saying. I don't know if I should start vlogging like this, to be honest. I'm never really good at talking to the camera, but I'm gonna try to get used to it, you know what I'm saying, get some more face, I don't know, face shots, if you want to call that. But honestly, like, I don't know, we're gonna see, because make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you're notified when the next video drops, even though I drop like once a month. Hey, you can't blame me, boy. Yeah, you can. Damn, I don't remember this walk being this far, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? You enjoy stuff like this. I wish it was like a little more cloudy, you know, but just look at those colors. Alright, y'all, we finna head back. I'm gonna get some more clips for you guys. The sun is for sure coming up. Nothing too crazy. You know, sometimes you just gotta go outside and enjoy the little things by yourself. You don't always gotta be with somebody, you know what I'm saying? It's always good to have yourself, love yourself, and spend some quality time with yourself for sure. Again, catch on when I get to the car. Alright, you guys, I just made it back into the car. Sun is coming up, as you guys can see. I'm gonna get y'all some POV. Let's get right into it. Hopefully there's not gonna be too much wind noise. But we'll be upgrading to like a better mic setup, like, or a media mod, something like that. Cause there's just be like bad wind noise, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into the video. end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just a little drive to the mountains. It's really nice up here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I will try to be posting more, like I said. It's not a promise, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent for you guys. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.